Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to bring out the friend request you have ignored on Snapchat. Normally when somebody add you as a friend on Snapchat and you decline, there is a place where you can bring all the friends you have declined. So I'm going to show you how to bring that up in this video. So open your Snapchat app. At the top right corner, click on the add friend button. So here, this is where you find out people who have added you. If you want to bring out the friends who you have ignored, click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on friend request I have ignored. Here, you're going to see all the friend requests you have ignored. It says this is where you find Snapchatters who friend add you have ignored. So this is where you find all the people that have added you that you have ignored. You can always go back and accept them back if you want. So that's how you bring out the friends that you have ignored on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.